Okay, hi guys. Now I'm going to teach you how to eat an octopus. Well, it's not just an octopus. That's an octopus alive. Well, more or less. Well, first of all, how to catch an octopus. To catch an octopus, well, you even need any tool, any special tool. You can even do it by your hands. Just inserting your hand in the octopus house, in its cave, which is protected by stones and seashells, wherever. Otherwise, if the hole doesn't allow you to enter your hand, then you need some quite aggressive tools like this one, or an underwater gun. Yeah. So what? As you can see, they're not really alive, because once you caught an octopus, then you have to bite over here between his eyes, where if you touch, you feel like a bone. Well, to kill an octopus, you have to kill it if you want to eat it. Then you need to bite just over here, and once you feel the bone breaking, then the octopus will go like this, will melt down like a candle, as you can see. Well, but how to eat an octopus? You would say, well, you should cook it, you should boil it, maybe you should you can fry it as well, or grill. But well, my mom actually taught me how to eat an octopus alive, or pre-alive, well, just caught. Well, this is how to do it. You just have to get one of its arms. I don't know how to call this in English, so we're gonna call it arms, and have a bite. But you gotta take care, because his arms can get stuck easily in your throat, and you might even choke on it. So I don't think you'd like to choke on it in a sunny day. So just have to bite over here. And then chewing and keep chewing until you feel ready to swallow it. And it's very good. It's an amazing flavor. You know what? It tastes just like the sea. You know the smell of the sea breeze? That's it. You feel like the sea salt, sea breeze. It's great. It's simply great. But well, that's too much to eat alive. Actually, we got 3 octopus today. Not bad for a hour fishing session. So what's next? We're going to make probably a salad out of it. How to make an octopus salad? Well, you just boil octopus for about 15 minutes, and then just ready to cut it and put it in a bowl with carrots, olives, what else? Yes, some celery maybe. It's pretty tasty and good. So enjoy your meal. Say hi. Hi. Yeah.